We have a confirmed armed robbery at the Unity Trust Bank, the city's oldest and largest financial institution. Suspects are using the riots as cover. Multiple strike teams will handle the surrounding areas. D platoon, you'll enter the bank. The lobby has been breached, ATMs destroyed, tellers assaulted. Civilians were inside when the robbery began. Hostage status is unconfirmed. First responders met heavy resistance. Several DeBanco security staff are missing or presumed hostile. Others were found dead on the upper floors. Whoever's inside came for more than money. Unusual ordnance has been sighted, charges planted along foundation supports, and wiring coursing through elevator shafts. Forensics found traces of fine dust HMX matching samples from the Pure Attacks cargo containers. Those containers were tracked by serial number, moved from the port to a downtown depot less than 4 miles out, then into the bank's underground loading area. If HMX is on the upper floors and thermite is in the basement, simultaneous detonation could destroy the structure. Forensic and hazmat reports on the gas deployed at the pier are pending, but initial readings indicate a lethal neurotoxin. If connected, the same agent could be deployed here. Water lines beneath the bank may be a target for contamination. Last night, security cleared vans into the underground vault access. They left and returned early this morning. Dominic Vale, COO of Unity Trust, was flagged as behaving erratically on CCTV and had been present at the bank since last night. Treated as a person of interest, involvement unconfirmed. Expect crowd control early in the breach, but you'll be met with stronger resistance as you navigate deeper. Our suspects have fortified their positions near the vault and throughout the bank's upper floors. Witness accounts, signet intercepts, and recovered security footage point to Black Sentinel mercenary involvement. While Los Navegantes del Caos are utilized as transport facilitators, there is no evidence of cooperation between the two, but both have appeared at incidents involving the same chain of cargo. In each case, one's presence has given the other freedom to operate. Whether that's deliberate coordination or chance is unclear. Treat both as active threats. Your task is to regain control of the bank, neutralize armed hostiles, protect civilians, and secure physical and digital assets. Prevent any chemical release and preserve evidence that could link this to the pier attack.
Where are we meeting with CBRN units?
We aren't. Too much crowd activity. We breach with what we have.
Who the fuck's running this operation? Does FISA sign off on ROE? What intel streams are shared?
All intel is shared. FISA signs off as Central Command. All right, enough. Gear up. We move now.
Doc, new element. Suspects are refusing to negotiate. You are clear to move in. Element, this is Doc. Medical.
Drop it now! Let me see those hands down the ground! Get down on the floor! Police, get down! Drop the weapon now! Police, hands up now! Get on the ground now! Don't click down.
Make it stable and proceed with mission. Doc to entry.
Stop right now! Reload! Easy mag!
I got cops.
I got you now.
Suspect isn't going anywhere.
Doc to lead. Trailers en route. Civilians have been Dock to Element. Suspect has taken civilians prisoner.
Get down. Drop your weapon.
Put your hands up! Right down! Civilian is cuffed and good to go. I'm dropping it! Evidence. Good secured.
One suspect down, responsive.
This is Doc. Cam's notified.
Entry team is on. Civilian is secured.
Ready to go.
Dock to entry team. Keep going. Lead, this is Doc. Proceed with mission. Doc here. Stabilize them and we'll send EMTs.
Search and secure the area.
Begin to handcuff.
I got you. Don't worry.
Sorry,
Don't
can't
worry.
take any chances.
You're
Yeah.
restrained. Complain.
Civilian restrained. Good to go.
Entry team, this is Doc. Beauty. Keep them coming.
Money is meaningless. They print it by the trillions.
Provide support.
You got point.
I don't give a shit. You're part of the problem.
I'll get it. Safe. Yep. Got it secured. I'm back in.
Secured.
Good. Evidence good to securing.
Put your hands up now! LSPD, hands up!
I got it.
This is procedure.
You gotta be kidding me.
Get down on your knees! Get down on your knees!
Civilian ready for trailers.
Doc
Civilian
to
is
lead.
good to go.
Continue with objectives.
Stay back!
Turn around and stay still.
What about the money?
Lead to talk. Civilian is secured.
Doc here. Trailers notified.
Use the mirror. Check for targets.
I got the wand. No traps visible. Area clear.
Entry team to talk. Device is secure.
This is Doc. Confirming devices are secured. Forensics notified.
Post up and provide cover.
Into place. Unlocked.
Get the door and move in.
Confirmed. Switching me.
Move, move, move!
Nah, not today, man. Nothing.
You're in my way.
Dropping the lights. Nothing here, sir.
Mirror for suspects.
Yep. Mirror ready. Nothing. We're good. Looks good.
Move in. Clear it.
Stacking. Swap.
Move, move, move!
I got nothing here.
Nothing here, sir.
Talk. Weapons on site.
Element, this is Doc. Copy, entry team.
Mirror it.
On it. I got the mirror. Safe. No traps. All good here. Hands up! Don't move!
Put your hands up! Hands on your head! Stay down and turn around.
Watch my arm, you fuck! Ah!
Leader Talk.
These bastards
Civilian
aren't
is
stupid.
in custody. Requesting escort.
Entry team, this is Talk. Trailers en route.
You good? Fall in behind me.
Got your back.
Post up and cover the area.
Stacking.
Enter the room and clear.
Let's switch. Moving in. Opening on the left. What the fuck was that? Get over here! Get on fire! Got back down!
Suspect cuffed and secured. Making it safe. Evidence secured.
We won't make it past them.
Open and flashbang.
I'm good to go. Gonna bang it. Got an opening up ahead. Get down! No contact.
Open and bang it.
That's affirmative.
Elements to talk. Suspect down and need a
This is protocol.
Talk to Element. Clean house and we'll take them out.
We've got this under control.
Element, this is Talk. Trailers inbound.
Light clear over here, boss.
Entry team to talk. Civilian in custody and secure.
Talk reporting. We're ready.
Start a search.
All right.
Element to talk. Device located.
Talk to entry team. Forensics is standing by.
No contact.
On me.
You got point. I got it. Got it back. All finished?
Gonna pack it up.
Safe. Suspect ready to go. Good to go.
You can't
Post up and cover.
Moving into place. It's open. We're good to go.
Check it with the wand.
Affirmative. Mirrors ready. We got a hallway to the right. Looks safe. Room clear.
Open the door. Clear it.
Doing it. Swap with me. Breaching! We got a hallway to the left. Nothing.
Fired! Shots fired!
Looks clear over here, boss.
Stay on me.
I got you.
Police! Get down! Changing mag! LSPD! Get down!
Everything's gonna be okay.
Hands up!
Police, ready! Police, hands in the air!
Move in. Clear the room.
Doing it.
Hands in the air! Police, I want to see those hands! LSPD!
I got him.
Chem light out. Run it down! Contact down!
Right down.
Got him.
I got it.
Lead the talk. Device is secure.
Moving into echo. Reporting. We'll have those devices collected shortly. Keep it going.
Talk. Attack is
Civilian is
secure.
coming. Good to
Talk
go.
to lead. We'll have the devices collected shortly. Forensics notified.
Secure. Ready for pickup.
Good to go. This is Talk. We're ready.
Fall in behind me.
I got you.
I'm searching for answers. By all means, I'd like them for once.
You want it?
One suspect down. Great.
Talk to entry team. Stabilize them. We'll send EMTs.
This stuff is good safe. Evidence good to go.
I ain't scared of doing the bid. Wouldn't be my first time.
Put your hands up!
You're gonna take these officers, right? I can go?
Hey, come back!
Entry team to talk. Weapons located.
Please let me go. I have kids.
Hands up! Above your head!
You're just gonna let them walk away with the money?
I ain't going down for these.
Christ, I thought you were gonna kill me. I got it. Enjoying the overtime?
Talk. Weapons secure.
Go ahead. Save the day. Like a good boy.
Securing.
I'm packing my bags after this. You can trust me on that one.
Secure the area.
Auditing. Sweeping.
that shit on me.
Christ.
On my six.
I'm with you.
Something about the way they move. This is about more than money.
Hey! Take this shit out!
Forgive me, Lord, for the sensations I'm laying eyes on.
Not with them, I
A whole lot of
swear.
steel and security to protect something that's probably as worthless if this all falls apart. Call this in to talk.
Colorful
Firm
paper.
visual on civilian Dominic Vale. We're too late. What else did they do to him?
Serious hands always opening the wrong doors. Don't concern yourself with the details of what you see. You bear witness to a course correction and a broken system.
I know who you are.
Ask yourself, who are you?
Don't play games. You killed Vale and countless other innocents. This isn't just some robbery. You caused the pier attacks. Why? What's your goal?
This one we left. Another pawn covering his tracks. Another pest within the walls of Babylon that is now crumbling. We will rebuild it, starting from the very top. Need you to move.
They broke through. There was nothing we could do.
Go find the real criminals!
Listen, fuck the customers. You need to get down to the vault.
Lead to talk. Weapons safe. Search and secure the area. Element to talk. We got some weapons here.
crime. Hope you get your head blown off.
Fall in.
On your six.
Lead, this is Talk. Mission complete. Report to center. That's a wrap.